Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming gain staging. Bring peaks near -6 dB so EQ adjustments aren't masking clipping. Once done, insert the channel EQ on the track or its bus and switch solo on the source to focus. Use a reference track at the same loudness. This keeps decisions musical instead of deceptive. Now sweep a high-pass filter gently to remove inaudible subrumble. Make conservative cuts to retain body while cleaning mud. Keep actions deliberate and listen between moves. You now find and fix problem frequencies by using a narrow Q and boosting around 612 dB while sweeping. When an irritating resonance appears, cut it 36 dB with a narrower Q. Once problems are removed, switch to broader QS and gentle boosts to add presence or warmth, shelving for highs or bells for mid-character. Make musical, not technical, moves. A /B with the reference and bypass often. For parts that change, automate EQ moves rather than static extremes to preserve dynamics. Finish by bypassing the EQ and listening in the mix. You should hear improved clarity without loss of natural tone. If tracks mask each other, use subtractive cuts or move problematic bands to complementary tracks. Mid-side EQ helps open center versus sides. Once satisfied, check in mono and at low volumes to ensure translation. If you hear phase smearing or artifacting, undo recent bands, reduce Q or level, and reapply slowly. Often resetting one band fixes the issue and restores coherence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.